最近一番思うことはですね、やっぱりサラリーマンだと自分の時間を売って、お金を会社から給料でいただいてるってことだと思うんですよね。やっぱり自分の時間をいかに効率よく使って稼げるようになるかっていうのが自分で一番大事だと思います。やっぱり自分の好きなことをやって、それで成功する人が多いっていうのもそのことだなというふうに思います。今の仕事はすごいやりがいは感じてます。ただやっぱり仕事やっていく中で、やっぱり、無駄というか、ちょっとこれは必要じゃないんじゃないのかなっていうのも結構あって、その中で、生産性があんまりないかなってすごい思います。その代わりフリーエージェントの人、極めてる人たちは自分の時間をもう全て自分の利益と、あと自分の周りの人たちのために使っていくことができるのがすごい魅力的に感じます。
ドアが閉まります。6階です。上に参ります。
Club arrogant like yeah, talk like money so the girls just bail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no chairs. Ball out 'cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building and they're watching. I know this, I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding. I know it, you know it. You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. Can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now. Hey, still feeling myself, I'm like out of control. Can't stop now, more shots, let's go. 10 more rounds till I get a KO. Paparazzi tryna make me pose. Came to party till I can't no more. Celebrate 'cause that's all I know. Tip the group is taking off their clothes. Grand finale like Super Bowl. Go hard, I run the show. That's right, while I've got money to blow. More lights, more ice when I walk in the door. No hype, do it big all over the globe. Yeah, I said it, go tell it, come get it. Who ready? I'm ready, you ready? Let's get it. You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. Right now, watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club ain't even handle me right now. Show it, show it. The club ain't even handle me right now. Show it, show it. You got me watching now, got my attention now.